Hello, welcome to Temple's World Recipes. Today, I bring you a delicious dessert. It's a blueberry cheesecake. Fun fact, did you know that ancient Greece, the Olympians got cheesecake before the Olympics? We're talking about 1800 BC. And around 250 AC, that's when the first cheesecake recipe came about. Of course, they were not using the same cheese as we do today, but that's how old cheesecake is. It's delicious, and I'm gonna show you how to do my recipe. So now, let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need are 1.5 cups of graham crackers, 1 stick of butter, 2 pints of blueberries, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 blocks of cream cheese, around 24 ounces, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs, and 1/2 cup of sour cream. First, we're going to prepare the base for our cheesecake. I have my graham crackers. I'm going to tear them in half and add them to my food processor. Then we're going to crumble them for a few seconds. Once they're all crumbled, I'm going to add them to a bowl. And then we're going to add our melted butter. I melted my butter in my microwave. Once we add our stick of butter, we're going to mix everything until we get this wet sand consistency. Then I'm going to prepare a 10-inch springform pan. I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper. This is a tip I learned from a friend. I'm going to close it, and that's going to help us when we finish our cheesecake. We're going to add all our graham cracker mixture, and using a glass, we're going to press our crumble all around. I'm going to push it up the sides, and once it's ready, we're going to put it in the fridge while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. In a pan, I'm going to add my 2 pints of blueberries. I'm going to cover them with 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm going to add my cornstarch and my lemon juice. We're going to turn on the heat to medium, and we're going to start mixing. It's going to take about 10 minutes until all our blueberries dissolve and we have this thick, nice sauce. Then we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to test for consistency. You can see the streak stays there. And we're going to remove it from the heat. In my mixer, I'm going to add my blocks of cream cheese. To make it easier, you can put them inside the microwave and just heat them up for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to start mixing at medium speed. I'm going to start adding my leftover cup of sugar, 1/3 at a time. Once everything is mixed real well, we're going to add our vanilla. Then we're going to start adding our eggs one at a time, and we're not going to add any more eggs until they're completely mixed. Once we finish adding our eggs, we're going to stop our mixer. Using a spatula, we're going to scrape the sides as we want everything to be completely mixed. And at this point, we're going to add our sour cream. We're going to turn our mixer again and mix for a minute or two. Now we're going to take our pan out of the fridge and we're going to add a third of our cheesecake mixture to the bottom. We're going to make sure it's covered all around. And then we're going to add our blueberry sauce. We're going to go all over the place. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to cover as much as possible. Once we're done, we're going to rinse and repeat. We're going to add more of the cheesecake mixture. And then we're going to add more blueberries. We're going to add the last of our cheesecake mixture. And again, we're going to put blueberries all over the place. And using a knife, I'm going to swirl all the mixture all over. This is going to help us make a marble inside our cake when it bakes. In a 325-degree oven, we're going to stick our cheesecake for 60 to 80 minutes. As our blueberry cheesecake is in the oven, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to get notifications when new videos are coming, click on the bell. If you enjoy our video, give us a like at the end. Leave us your comments to know what you like and you don't like about our channel. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Now, let's get back to the kitchen. Once our cheesecake has baked, we're going to pull it out of the oven. And I'm going to sit it on a wire rack to cool down for at least 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, I'm going to pour the rest of my blueberry sauce on the top, and then we're going to stick it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. After the 4 hours, we're going to unmold our cheesecake. This is looking great. Let's cut a slice and take a look at that. A blueberry cheesecake is ready. It looks delicious, so let's try it. It's delicious. You really need to try this recipe. Hope you give it a try, and we'll see you next time.